Good morning, dear kids. How are you all today? Good? Very nice. And now, today we are going to learn something new, which is related with writing. Let's see what we are going to learn. Today, we are going to learn standing line. Can you see this line? Red color line? Yes, this line is standing here. So, we are going to learn standing line. And for that, I will tell you one story. So, are you ready to listen the story? Okay, let's start. In this story, there is a boy, and the name of this boy is Bob. And Bob wants to play. You want to play alone? No? With your family, with your friends. Similarly, Bob also wants to play with his friends. So he decided to go to the park. Can you see the picture? Yes, this is the picture of park. And what the kids are doing in the park? Some are playing, some are sitting under the tree. What are you doing in the park when you go there? You love to play there? Yes. Similarly, Bob also went there to play with his friends. When Bob reached there, he saw kids were playing. Some are busy in the group, some are keep reading the books. He also observed there were colorful flowers, and flowers are standing. There he saw fence, and he observed the fence also standing like him. Can you see the fence? These brown color? Yes, these are the fence. Then his friend offered him a lollipop. While eating the lollipop, he observed the lollipop is also standing. After some time, Bob decided to go back to his home. And while going back to his home, when he reached to the gate, he observed the gate also having standing rods. Can you see the rods in the gate? Yes, these rods are also standing. So Bob also observed these standing rods. Once Bob get inside the house, Mom gave him some orange juice. And while having the orange juice, he observed there was a straw, and the straw also standing in the glass. Can you see the straw? What is the color of this straw? Yes, red color. And Bob observed this red color straw standing in the glass. So, kids, in this story, we have seen many objects which were standing, like Bob and the flowers. And what else? Can you tell me? Yes, the lollipop. And what is standing in the glass? Yes, straw. These are the example of standing lines. Oh, it's raining. This man is standing with an umbrella. And what are these? These are raindrops. Can you see the raindrops? Yes, these white standing lines are raindrops. Now kids, we have to practice these standing lines. How to trace these standing lines? First, we have to put our index finger on the red line at the top position. Yes, and now slowly come down till the end of the red line. Very good. So, we have to trace top to bottom. Similarly, we have to trace other three lines also. The yellow, the green, the blue line also we have to trace in the same manner. Let's try. First, we have to practice standing line in full page. Big, long standing line. And then slowly move to practice in 4-line notebook. The 4-liner notebook having like these pattern. First line should be red, then 2 blue lines, then 4th line is also red. And how do we practice the standing line in these notebook? Here is the example. We have to start from first red line and draw a straight standing line, come down and touch the second blue line. It should be straight. Try to draw straight line. Yes, this is the standing line. Let's practice this with your finger, or you can practice this in 4-liner notebook also. Here is the example how we can trace or practice standing line. For that, tell your mama or papa, they will give you 4-liner notebook, or then they will do the dots. They will give the dots in the notebook and you have to start from the first dot that is on red line and draw a straight line, come down and touch the dot which is on second blue line. Then it should be like standing line. So you have to practice this. I hope you all will practice the standing lines. First practice in a big sheet, big lines, and then gradually move to the 4-liner notebook. So keep practicing. I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Take care.